Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Learn English Channel podcast. My name is Carlos, and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
And I'm Jenne. In this podcast, we help you learn English with real, simple, everyday conversations. We speak slowly, clearly, and we explain useful words that you can use in your daily life.
Today is our first episode, and the topic is Tell me about yourself. This is one of the most common questions in English. People use it in conversations, at work, in school, and when meeting someone new.
So today, we will show you how to answer this question in a natural and easy way.
Jenna, let's start with a simple example. Tell me about yourself.
Sure. My name is Jenne. I'm from Canada. I'm an English teacher. I love reading books, listening to music, and spending time with my family.
Very good. That's a great example. Now let's break it down for our listeners. My name is, basic way to say your name. I'm from, use this to say your country or city. I'm a, or I'm an, used to say your job. I love, used to say your hobbies or things you enjoy.
Exactly. Very simple, very useful. Carlos, now it's your turn. Tell me about yourself.
Okay. My name is Carlos. I'm from Brazil. I'm a podcaster and an English learner. I enjoy cooking, watching movies, and traveling to new places.
Nice. That's a friendly and natural answer. Let's explain a few useful words. Enjoy means like, but sounds more natural in English. Cooking, making food. Traveling, going to different places.
When someone asks, tell me about yourself, you can also add a little more detail. For example, I live with my family. I have one brother and one sister. I like to learn new things. In my free time, I study English.
Yes, and here are more simple phrases you can use. I work in a school. I study at a university. I have a small business. I'm learning English to get a better job. These sentences are simple, but they help you sound more natural.
Now let's do a short example conversation that students can repeat after us.
I'll start. Hi, nice to meet you. What's your name?
My name is Carlos. Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from China. And you?
I'm from Canada.
What do you do?
I'm an English teacher. What about you?
I'm a student. I'm learning English.
Great. Tell me about your hobbies.
I like music, movies, and cooking.
Awesome. Those are great hobbies. Vocabulary review. Name. What people call you. From. Your city or country. Job or work. What you do professionally. Hobby. Something you like to do for fun. Enjoy. Like something. Free time. When you are not working or studying. Learn. To study something new.
Now it's your turn. Try to answer these questions. What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? What are your hobbies? Why are you learning English?
You can write your answers, speak them out loud, or practice with a friend.
Thank you for listening to our first episode of the Learn English Channel podcast.
We hope this conversation helps you talk about yourself with confidence in English.
If you enjoyed this episode, follow us and join us in the next one.
See you next time, and keep learning English every day.
Bye-bye.
Subscribe to the channel. See you!